Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to change country in App Store. If you are using any iPhone and you are having this type issue that you're unable to change country in App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and here open up your settings. In settings, you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So you just have to open up your general and then scroll down and you'll get this VPN and device management option. Simply tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect. So once you have that, you just have to go back, and here you have to make sure that there is no any software update available. So you just have to tap on software, and here you have to make sure that you are not any software update available. If you have, you have to try to download and install software update, or then try to change your region or country. So simply tap on your profile, and here you just have to select this payment and shipping option, and from here you can easily select the option of your change country. Or if you're still having the same issue, so now let's see what have you do. You will get the reasons of why you cannot change your country. So here you can see there's a you must cancel your Apple podcast subscription before you can change country or region. So first let me explain you that if you are subscribed to any subscription, so it might be your Apple Music and something else. So first of all, you must have to cancel your subscription, and then you can easily change your country. So that's how you can easily fix unable to change country in App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.